Good day guys. So I said to you that I would do another follow-up video with regards to how the $10 seals from Bunnings held up for the tailgate. Disappointing really. I intentionally didn't open the tailgate just because I know they're a little bit delicate and the stick is not that great on there. So I thought I'm going to leave the tailgate shut until we get to the Cape and then see how the seals held up. So when I was getting stuff in and out of the tub, I was using the roller shutter to offload and inload stuff in an effort to save these. However, unfortunately, on the day that we packed all of our stuff in the car to come up here, I was looking in from up above and they had just all peeled off. The heat had got to them and they were just a floppy mess in the tub. So yeah, there is just no remnants of them whatsoever. They've just come completely unstuck. So absolute waste of time. So the concept was good. Did really seal the tub in terms of, you know, you couldn't see any daylight through there anymore. It was all good. Obviously just the integrity of the seals that we got from Bunnings was just not that great. However, I don't think that's a flaw of Bunnings. I think it's just the actual, you know, those type of rubber seals. Like I say, the grunt kit as well I've had in the past, $70 that was, very similar setup, and they failed as well. So I'd much rather pay the $10 for them to fail than the 70. But yeah, so back to the drawing board on that one. So boot's starting to get a little bit dusty at the minute. Don't know if you've got any suggestions, chuck them in the comments. I think going forward it's going to be a canopy. I've seen the pop riveted style clamps and seals, probably a good option. But any suggestions, chuck them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to take your thoughts on board. Cheers guys, speak to you soon.